Hi guys, good morning. I'm in the workout room and I shut the door because I'm like so afraid of waking Forrest up. I was able to get ready, somewhat ready, while he's sleeping, and that never happens anymore because this nap is such a short nap. So that means it's going to be a good day. I've got my iced coffee. It's a high of 69, which is literally the warmest it's been like since last fall, summery. So I'm ready for it. I have a lot to do as always. I'll never get it all done, but I try. I'm about to throw in some laundry. I'm sure he'll wake up after that. And then I really, at least sometime this week, I want to place an order for paint because I said in my last video that I can't buy paint right now. It's like part of the stay-at-home order. I think that you can now. I'm not sure. I have to look into it. It's different for every state. But I don't want to go in a store right now regardless. So I think we're gonna do a curbside pickup. I went onto the Home Depot website and I saw that's an option. So I tried to order paint samples like a week or two ago and they weren't shipping paint samples. So I might just get like all the paint that we need, whatever color I decide, and like hope for the best. I just need to like get that started. I feel like we need to take advantage of being at home right now. And instead of like only semi-maintaining the house and picking up, like we need to get something done, you know? So yes, I want to do that. I'm sure we'll spend some time outside, get some vitamin D. It is so needed. So let's throw in some laundry and get that baby. Here's that dress, by the way. It's just like a t-shirt dress and it has a pocket right here. But I really like this one because it's just a tiny bit thicker than you would expect. So I feel like it doesn't show every bump and lump, if you know what I mean. But with like a denim jacket, when we go on a walk, I think I'm gonna put on a denim jacket. And my sneakers, so sneakers I just got, those Vans. I don't know if anyone cares about this, but I don't get to wear regular clothes very often. So whenever I do, I'm like all about it.
I've been waiting all my life for something. I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds. But I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd.
Good morning. Hi. Are you going from this outfit into this outfit?
Or this gray one?
Oh, okay. Hi. Good morning. That's a good nap. Are you 7 months old today? Oh man. You're a big guy today. You know that? Okay, you're all ready for the day until you spit up all over this outfit. He has a purple hat on because I bought it on sale online and I didn't realize it was purple, so we're gonna use it anyway. It looks great. And there's Daddy working from home. Are you ready? Okay. You want that one? Just the apple, raspberry, avocado.
Came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say
You good? Okay, Fory Boy and Daddy are downstairs. I'm about to start the tub for a toe soak. I've been soaking his toes like at least once a day and it's really been helping with his ingrown nails. Mom stuff, I just posted this outfit too on Like to Know It. I've been really trying to like post outfits on there more because it's so much easier for you guys and I feel like everyone can find that instead of like one by one responding and not being able to get back to everybody. So if you're ever curious about anything I'm wearing, I feel like I'm not that fashionable, but you know, I try. My outfits are on there. I posted an Abercrombie haul on there, like tons of different things. Actually, this was part of it. I just realized that. I'm such a sale shopper, so I love sharing things that I buy because I always get things for like a really good deal. It's so rare I buy anything full price. If you like deals, head to my like to know it. So okay, I need to get this going. About to go get that baby, but if you're a mom, I'll make sure I have this on my Amazon page in the baby section. It is so great. We've been using this like a week and a half. It suctions on your tub. They all spin out, so it suctions. It's like super secure, and he actually really likes it. I've been holding Forrest in my shower for like a few months because he started hating baths, and now he likes them again in that thing. Excuse me. You got your hat on? Okay, good.
He doesn't want to take his hat off.
Okay. Baby boy, yeah. Oh man. It's nap time. I have a few minutes, so I thought I'd show like the updates that we've done. I mentioned these in a previous video, but we put in this light in the front entry hallway area, and it has all these flowers on it. I had to spin the flowers on one by one, by the way, so there's a lot on there. I'll turn it on. It's easier seeing it if it's off. That's what it looks like though. Found it on Wayfair. And then this one, I told you we were going to put this by the back door in the mudroom. I didn't realize how large this was. I don't know why. Like, I looked at people's review photos. I didn't actually look at the size of it, and they looked smaller. So I thought it would be really good for that space, and then it showed up and it is huge. So I put this in my office, which fine by me. I just think it's really, really pretty too. Also found that on Wayfair. It's like an antique style almost. So it's, I don't know how to describe it, but it's like faded. It's not shiny gold or anything. So that is what that one looks like. Worked out in here pretty well. I walked around the house and I was like, where are we going to put this? Because I didn't want to pay to ship it back. And then in this bathroom, we did put in this faucet. It's not like officially hooked up. The water isn't hooked up yet because I forgot about this, but whenever I order faucets online, like the water thing, this pipe, or I don't know what it's called, but the hookup for the water, it's always super short. So then we have to get a second one on Amazon that's a lot longer. So we just need to hook that up, but it came with one of these. I think they all do. And then it says hot and cold on these. I think it's so pretty. Still need to hang up the toilet paper holder and then the hand towel holder, but we'll probably wait until the wallpaper's up. And then we did put up this guy. I always get like extra handles. I just think they look really pretty. Here's the brand. It's Kingston Brass. I like a lot of their stuff. Like, so many of their products are a look for less of expensive fancy brands. So on Wayfair, they have tons of stuff like shower faucets, bathroom faucets, kitchen faucets, and hardware for houses in general. How's work, babe? People always ask what you do, so I say recipe development. Is that a pretty good explanation?
Some of it, yeah.
Alexa, play music. Oh, Daddy took Alexa upstairs. Yeah, you excited? Okay. Now, the part that we play with is this, okay? Can you hold it? Good job. Okay, Fory Boy had his lunch. I just laid out a new outfit. I'm gonna change your diaper, put you in a new outfit. The stroller is in the driveway, ready to go. Looks very blue. He's bouncing, getting some energy out back there. And I would love a nice coffee. I think I'm gonna wait until we get back. I'm trying to Sustain. Try to sustain my energy, okay? Oh. We ordered this iced coffee, or it's not iced coffee, it's cold brew. Sort of the same thing, but anyways. We ordered this on Amazon and it's really good. I don't know where Chad heard about it, but he said it has like a ton of 5-star reviews and actually is pretty good. So random, but if you ever need anything like that, you can find it on Amazon. So I'll be back for you. Okay, are you ready? There he is. Hello. It's the final stretch. I slammed an iced coffee. Feel like I need more. And Daddy's making dinner, pasta. And then we have to do bath time, story time, lotion time, all the times. He didn't really take his last nap, he kind of skipped it. We gave up after like 45 minutes. I'm waiting to feed him because I know if I'm eating and he's not eating, it's a problem. He gets very mad. What's in here?
Smoked chicken from yesterday, bruschetta, pasta.
And cheese?
There will be cheese on top. Roasted garlic, bruschetta.
There's food coming. There you go. Okay, come here. We're gonna do some dishes and then Forrest is taking a bath and Chad is outside. Someone's going to install our gutters, or like, he's not installing them, but we're getting a quote for gutters. Can you put these away? This is your job. What are you doing? They're right here. Here you go. Here you go. Hold it like a big boy. Got it? Forrest, I honestly don't want to do this right now. I'm not in the mood. Okay? I'm really not in the mood for this. Can I look at you? Because you're just so beautiful. Hello. Good, that one?
Better, oh yeah. Before you I was just a shell, so stuck in the dark. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect.
Okay, let's go, boys.
Me first.
You got tinky toes. Is mommy tickling your tinky toes? Toes. I'm gonna tickle your tinkies.
It's 9 p.m. I'm just sitting here drinking what I drink all day long. It's half water, half Simply lemonade. I'm like addicted to Simply lemonade. Anyways, I wanted to show you guys the paint color I chose for our bedroom so you can tell me what you think. And it's just a big room, so I don't want to pick the wrong color. So tell me what you think, because I'm posting this video tomorrow. If you guys tell me you like it, I'm probably going to order it. So I didn't think about the fact that it's hard to tell on a screen, but the color is Boot Cut Satin Enamel Interior Paint and Primer in One by Behr Marquee at Home Depot. So I really like this one. I feel like it needs to be something that has like a muted hue to it, because it is going to be in a large space, and I feel like anything that's really bright in a bright room already is going to look like highlighter. And then I am sort of like, this is my inspiration, is Rachel Parcells' room. It's so pretty. I mean, I don't even know if I should be showing this to you, because of course I'm not doing like wallpaper, and the curtains that I got are not this color. So this is like similar. It's obviously not like exactly what I'm trying to recreate, but the look, the feel of her room, I really like, and I feel like this blue is similar. So let me know what you guys think. And that is basically our day today. Literally the most regular day ever. I mean, I'm used to being like home a lot, you know, from working from home, but it's getting weird. I don't even know. I've like completely lost track of time. I don't even know how long this has been going on. At least a month, right? A little more than a month. So I don't know. It's just nerve-wracking, like waiting to see how all of this pans out, especially with a baby. Like, I feel like my mind has completely changed having a baby. I mean, everyone says that. Like, you worry about things more, and sometimes I just have to turn the news off. And every night when I'm falling asleep, I'm always reading like the news app on my phone, if you have an iPhone. I don't know if you set the news on there, I don't remember, or if it just like pops up, but of course it's like all about the virus. So I just like read that, and then my mind is like whirling, and then I can't fall asleep, but I do it every single night. So I'm gonna wrap this video up, get as much done as I can before tomorrow morning, because of course with a baby, everything is super difficult. So I try and get as much done the night before as I can. And then I'll probably read that news, even though I should take a break from it sometimes. So thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please like it, please subscribe. If you're new here, check out the links down below, and I will see you guys right here in a few days in a brand new video. Bye.